Today I will show how to buy shares of VIB Vermögen AG, listed on Xetra under the ticker VIH1.de and active in commercial real estate. This presentation is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker VIH1.de to locate the listing. Select the entry that matches VIB Vermögen AG to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is VIB Vermögen AG. Verify the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker VIH1.de to be certain it is the right security. To place an order, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next opening, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once processed, your position will appear in the portfolio overview where you can monitor it. A soft note, the link to eToro and additional resources is in the description below.